Okay, I'm going to share a tip with you, but first I'm going to enlighten you with a story. So I know that a lot of people are in that, decluttering, cleaning, new year, new me phase. I'm always decluttering and cleaning. I have a problem actually. My husband calls it blind cleaning rages that I like to go on. I throw things away that I should not throw away. And recently I've had the lovely opportunity to go dumpster diving, not once, but twice in the last 2 weeks because I threw away things that I should not have thrown away. First was two gift cards, $100 gift cards to Baltimore that I was going to be gifting for Christmas. Thank God it wasn't recycling week, so I was able to still do so, but that was fun. And then secondly, my husband and I, we switched life insurance policies, so we got issued a couple refund checks, and I threw them away. I know they're not here in the house somewhere because all my drawers are kept very, very tidy because I'm constantly decluttering and cleaning. And where I would keep them, they are not there. In fact, I'm pretty sure I remember exactly when I threw them away. So anyways, I got a dumpster dive for those too. And that was at the office. So that was a commercial dumpster. So that was also very fun. So anyways, my point is, or my tip is, if you are in that cleaning and decluttering phase, good for you, great. That's awesome. It's a wonderful time to do that. January, it's dark outside, early, it's cold. Most of us are doing dry January, so we're bored. We want things to do. So do that right now, whether you're looking to sell or not. But it's a great thing to focus on. Reach out if you'd like some help, not decluttering your home because we might end up dumpster diving together, but to sell your home in 2024, I would love, of course, to help you with that. So reach out if you have any questions anytime about buying or selling. I would be happy to help. Cheers.